Which is more reactive, 2-methyl-1-butene or 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene? First you draw this structure, CH2 double bond CH, single bond C, CH3 here, double bond CH2. So here we will see double bond, single bond, double bond. Means this is known as conjugation, conjugated double bond. So since conjugated double bonds are there, and that is why delocalization of pi electron takes place, and that is why they will make more susceptible to addition reaction. Conjugation effect will be operating, the electron delocalize, so they will increases the enhancing means increases the reactivity towards the addition reaction. Clear to you? So conjugated double bonds stabilizes the intermediate. Remember, I am saying intermediate stabilizes the intermediate form. That is why easily formed and leading to addition reaction fast. So this intermediate is stabilized by resonance in this case of 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, so more reactive as compared to this 2-methyl-1-butene. Why it is so? Because there is no such type of conjugation resonance effect, on the hyperconjugation will be there, but we know that resonance always effect is always overpower hyperconjugation effect. Okay, so the species which is stabilized by resonance, okay, so will form more easily, so more easily they will give addition reaction as compared to this. Now we will see here, same I have taken 2-methyl-1-butene and cis-2-butene. Now here see, according to Scherzer rule, this is more stable than this. So if it is more stable, so more stable, less reactive. This is means I am talking about species only. I am not talking about intermediate in this case. Okay, so here only one double bond in both the cases. Here this is disubstituted here. Only one olefinic carbon is substituting here. So this will be more reactive as compared to this, because this is more stable than this. So if this whole species is more stable than this, it means it will be less reactive. Okay, so this is less reactive, and this 2-methyl-1-butene is more reactive than cis-2-butene. Cis-2-butene, see here I have given very good idea. 1-butene stability first. 1-butene more stable, trans-2-butene, then cis-2-butene is less stable as compared to trans-2-butene. So reactivity just ulta chalo. Ulta chalo means reverse gear. Cis-2-butene is more reactive than trans-2-butene. Trans-2-butene is more reactive than 1-butene. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, I am Veena Dixit, and I will give you more and more good information. So please subscribe my channel. See, here I have written more reactive cis-2-butene, then trans-2-butene, then 1-butene. Clear to you? Again I will repeat, cis-2-butene is more reactive than trans-2-butene, trans-2-butene is more reactive than butene, and 2-methyl-butene is more reactive than all